In this video, we'll explore the analysis dashboard and learn how to customize metrics, manage programs, and configure calculation settings. Planary is available for a free trial, which you can download from our product page linked in the description below. Let's get started. The analysis dashboard updates dynamically in real time, showing key metrics for my project. These include gross floor area, or GFA, site area, floor space index, or FSI, building coverage ratio, or BCR, total height, number of floors, net saleable areas, unit count, parking, and the unit mix. Right next to the analysis dashboard is the Area Distribution tab, which offers a detailed view of how the building area and land use are allocated. It breaks down the distribution both by percentage and by area. If I want to rename or hide any metrics, I can use the Customize option. This makes it easy to adjust the dashboard and focus on what's most important for my project. To manage metric settings or adjust formulas, I'll head to the Project Preferences. I can access it directly from the dashboard or go to Options, Preferences. In the Programs section, I can add new programs and customize their names and colors. For each program, I can decide if its usage area should be included in the total floor area and gross floor area calculations. For residential projects, I'll check the box that says the program contains residential units. I can also apply efficiency ratios for calculations. GFA equals TFA multiplied by efficiency, and NSA equals TFA multiplied by cell efficiency. On top of that, I can set the required number of parking spaces, either by unit or by area. Under the Unit Mix section, I can add or remove unit types, rename them, change their colors, assign an average size, and set the percentage for each type in the mix. If I need to exclude a building or an entire site from the analysis, I can right-click on one of the building elements and select Exclude Building. This will remove it from the calculations, as well as from any exported data or massing. Excluded buildings appear as transparent elements. To change how they look, I'll go to Options, Preferences, Styling. From there, I can adjust the opacity. If I want to completely hide the excluded building, I'll set the opacity to 0. Thanks for watching.